Alright, so this is my MIPS project. It's a traffic light system, and let's go ahead and run it. Show there's no errors. Successfully, no errors. Alright, gonna go ahead and run it. Goes through all the light sequences for 4 traffic lights. Once it goes through all 4 of them, it'll ask if there's any pedestrians. Let's go ahead and put yes. After the pedestrian sequence, it's going to ask if there's a left turn. Let's go ahead and put yes. This is just the output saying there's a left turn. Lastly, it'll ask for the work week. This one is used for the matrix, for the 2D array, which is this. Every 6th day requires maintenance. So I'm going to pick row 2, column 2, first one. So work week 2, work day 2. We get a maintenance required on light system indication, and then it loops back to start the system again. It's going to continue forever because of the traffic light system. On the last one I put yes. This time I'm going to put no for all of them. See what happens. Nope. And it just skips it. It doesn't have any graphics or sound. It just goes to the next input. Nope. And let's just pick row 3 1. 3 1. So notice just says the days in operation are 4, no maintenance required. It continues.